The unwanted finish line. Chasing sub-1 nanometer CD SEM resolution. Part 4. Final. In the Part 2 post, we reviewed implication of resolution change for X-scan direction. With small GL noise injection, precision stay almost the same with beam resolution sigma reduction. But with more GL noise injection, precision starts to deteriorate with beam resolution sigma reduction. In the Part 3 post, also shown that for Y-scan direction, we have deterioration of LER/LWR parameters, significant impact on stochastics, better resolution, higher LER numbers. So for combined true scan, we have deterioration of precision and stochastic in presence of a noise. More noise, more deterioration present. Thank you for attention.